Question 15. A sweet shop sells bags of pick and mix. A bag that contains 4 chocolate frogs and 3 sugar mice costs £3.69. A bag that contains 6 chocolate frogs and 2 sugar mice costs £3.96. How much would a bag that contains 2 chocolate frogs and 5 sugar mice cost? Show your work. So we need to figure out the cost of one item, each of these items, okay, and then obviously we can come to this question about 2 chocolate frogs and 5 sugar mice, okay. So you can use different letters for the cost of one item. So I would say let X be the cost of one chocolate frog, and Y be the cost of one sugar mice. Alright, so therefore if X is the cost of one chocolate frog, so 4 chocolate frogs will be 4X. Y is the cost of one sugar mice, 3 of them will be 3Y. If you add these two together, you will get 3.69. Now we have 6 chocolate frogs, so 6X's plus 2Y's will be equal to 396. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to solve this simultaneous equations. We can equalize each coefficient. It doesn't matter how and which do you choose to equalize, okay. Say you would like to eliminate y's, then you will multiply this by 2 to get 6y and this one by 3 to get 6y, right? So you multiply by 3, so you get, don't forget to multiply everything by 2. 4x times 2 is 8x plus 6y equals 369 times 2 equals 738. 6x times 3 is 18x plus 6y equals 3.96 times 3, 1188. Okay, now we can subtract one equation from another, y, because then we'll eliminate y's. I would subtract perhaps the first equation from the second, because there are more x's here and this amount is bigger, so I will have positive straight away values for x and y. Okay, so I will say that's what I'm doing. I pick up the second equation and I take away the first equation. So what that is going to be, 18x minus 8x, 10x. 6y, take away 6y is 0, is equal to 1188, take away 738. 1188, take away 7.38. That is 4.5, right? 4.5 pounds. So therefore x is 4.5 divided by 10, which is 0.45. If x is 0.45 pounds, basically in pounds, right? In pounds, then we can figure out the amount of the second, the cost of the second item. We can pick up any basically value here. I find multiplying this odd number by 2 is easier than by odd number, so that's what I will pick up. The second equation, 6x plus 2 times 0.45 equals 3.96. Okay, this is 6x plus 0.9 equals 3.96. So therefore 6x is equal to 396, take away 0.9. Therefore 6x is equal to 3.06, and x will be 3.06 divided by 6. Okay, 3.06. sorry, mistake there. 3.06, right, divide by 6, 0.51. Okay, please don't write straight away these answers, because we haven't answered the question. The question was about how much would a bag that contains 2 chocolate frogs and 5 sugar mice. Okay, so if 1 chocolate frog was the X, so we have 2 chocolate frogs, so we have 2 X's, right? So total cost is 2 times 0.51 plus 5 sugar mice. 5 sugar mice. Sugar mice was Y, and Y was, oh dear, I made mistake again, did I? So please ignore me. Here. Do you know what mistake I made? I used X 0.45 and I substituted as it would be 0.40 as Y. So don't make such mistakes in your exam, please, and sorry for that. So X is 0.45, so we substitute, say, into any equation, for example the first one. So 4 times 0.45 plus 3y equals 3.69. Yeah, so 4 times 0.45 plus 3y. Okay, what is 4 times 0.45? If you multiply 0.45 twice, you're getting 0.9, and twice it again, we're getting 1.8 plus 3y equals 3.69. So 3y is equal to 3.62. Where's our calculator? 3.69. Take away. 3.69 divided by 3 equals 1.23. That's what I get. What am I doing? 3.69, take away first 1.8, right? And this 1.89 needs to be divided by 3. Okay, finally I've got it right. 1.89 divided by 3 is 0.63, right? 0.63. So now 2 chocolate frogs, so 2 chocolate frogs times 0.45 plus 5 sugar mice, which is 0.63. Let's see how much it cost. So 2 times 0.45 plus 5 times 0.63 equals 4.05. 4.05. That's my answer. As you could see, we have to be careful with these questions. They're not complicated conceptually, right? But they can get tricky if we're not paying attention. Sorry for the mistake, but I hope it's didn't really distract you too much, and you can see that how attention really makes difference with such questions. Okay, thanks.